Hello YouTubers, this is Jack of all trade. Right now I am fixing this automatic garbage can right here. Okay, this is not working before and I just open up this. This is have a cover here on the back. You see this is the motor right here, and then this is the cover here. You get 4 screws right there. This is more screws, 4, and this is all the components. This is the PCB board. You got the IC right there. You have 2 4 6 7 14 pin IC. You got all the diodes, you got everything right there. Okay, you got the capacitor right there. Okay, transistor. So this is the motor, and inside of here they have gear. So now this is not working before because it's not opening up, and I just get this from Ocala and my parents because they said it's not working and then they're going to throw it away. And so I said I need to go and check it before you go throw it away, and then I can still use it because there's no problem with it. But they told me that they replaced it already, the battery, but it's still not working. So they have this battery right here. I put a battery right here. This is the big size of the battery. I think it's A. That's what I believe. This is the 1.5. Oh, this is yeah, this is the big one, the big battery one. I believe it's A. So okay, and you have 3 of them here, and it's the voltage is 4.5 because you have 3 batteries on that. So you put the battery right there. Okay, like that. Okay, and this is the cover. Okay, I just fixed it, so I just want to make sure it's gonna work. So now when I just looking, open up here, all the component is working. All the transistor, the capacitor, the everything here is working. So I put some WD-40 over there to maybe to put some gear, put some grease on that gear. And then I just found out that on this black gear here on the other side, it was broken. So that's why it's not opening. Down over here there's a little bit it breaks, the other gear was breaks up. So now the motor is working, but it doesn't open this lid right here. So in the one that I improvised is to put this rubber here, like a rubber foam right here on the top, because this one is a little bit lower all the way to the lid here. See, if you're gonna put it there, that's the way it's look right now. So that is what it's look like right now. But before it was covering all the way in the bottom. But to make it work, this thing is to put this thing. I just gonna put this rubber foam here, because if I don't put that, and this is gonna be like all the way in the bottom here, the gear, it doesn't match into the white gear to the black gear, because the black gear, it was busted, it was a broken one. The other gear, it was broken, so that's why it doesn't open. It just only turning the motor, but it doesn't open up. So it just cranking, but doesn't work anymore. So when I did that one, I did this experiment right here so that it will work again and it will open up. So over here there's a button here, you can kick it, and then there's a green light on the button here. So as you can see, when you press that, there's a green. Okay, and then it opens up and it's gonna turn it itself. Okay, that's where it goes. So it turns. So now I'm gonna press that again, that button, so it will open up again. Okay, you see the motor, and you can hear it also, and it will go down again. So now that one is working. So when you have a problem like this, and you said it's not working anymore, so you just try to make it sure that all the motor is working, and maybe something wrong on the gear is busted or something like that, because normally these parts right here, it's they're really gonna hard to be break, you know, as long as you don't short circuit them, you know. So that's the only thing you need to do is to check it first before you throw it away, you know. Yeah, you can use it manually, you know, open up like that by your hands, but this is a motorized trash can. So like I said, you just press this here, okay, and press that, it's gonna turn to green, okay, and then it's gonna blink again when it's gonna turn, and it's going to close the lid. See that? So I'll show it you down over here. I press the one on the bottom, okay, it opens, and it will close when the green on the bottom it close by itself. Okay, so that's the remedy of this trash can, this automatic trash can. So just don't throw it away right away. If you're buying this kind of trash can because it doesn't work, maybe you thought it's the battery only, but you replace the battery, it still doesn't work. So open up here, check the back. There's only 4 screws, and check the gear, and then if you see this motor here is turning, so it means it's still good. So you only have a problem is the gear, you know, it doesn't catch up the gear by the white gear and the black gear, because the black gear is been, you know, busted, it was broken. So I can press that one, see, and then it will shut it off itself too. Okay, there you go, it closed already. See, that's it. So yeah, that's the only thing you can do when you're fixing this kind of a garbage can, instead of throwing away. And you know, this is my, you know, this is supposed to be going to the garbage already, to the trash can, but like I said, it's still gonna work if you're just gonna see if you know what you're doing. So that's the only thing you can do, just fix that gear. Maybe because this one, it was broken already, I was trying to work it out to turn the other way, but I believe it doesn't do that. So maybe I can try it and remove that, so maybe it's gonna work. So yeah, okay, all right, this is a jack of all trade. Thank you again for watching. All right, thank you, bye bye.